am so excited about this acquisition. When I came to the Huntington knowing the story of Rauschenberg's inspiration from the place, I thought, well, someday, it seems unlikely now, but perhaps someday we could have his work represented at the Huntington, and it looks as though this day is upon us. Well, the piece in question, Robert Rauschenberg's Global Loft, spread from 1979, is part of a series that he started in the late 70s that use appropriated imagery, collage, and found objects, and that's exactly what we see here. The images are photo transfers, so they're from existing photographs. There's paint, there are elements of fabric that are adhered to the surface, and the found object are these they're glue brushes that have been smashed down and adhered to the surface. So that's the sculptural component. The piece is quite large. It's 96 by 111 inches, and it's actually a triptych. If you were to turn it over, you could see that there are 3 panels that are constructed to be put together. That's not completely obvious when you look at it at the first pass because it reads very coherently as a composition. But if you focus on it, you can see that it's perfectly divided into 3 parts. There's nothing like being in the presence of these larger scale works by Rauschenberg because their sheer physical scale is part of the statement being made. It's hard to see them in reproduction because the detail that so draws you in when you see them in person is harder to parse on the smaller scale. So I encourage everybody to come to the galleries to see it in person.